Welcome to Smart Tips. In this video, I'll share 5 quick tech hacks that will save you time and make your day easier. Let's jump right in. 1. Use voice commands for reminders. Set reminders with your phone's voice assistant. Just say, "Hey assistant, remind me to call John at 3 p.m. and let tech handle it." 2. Save time with keyboard shortcuts. Master basic shortcuts like Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. They're small tricks, but they add up fast. 3. Enable dark mode. Switch to dark mode on your apps or devices. It's easier on your eyes and can even save battery on OLED screens. 4. Use cloud storage for access anywhere. Store important files on platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox to access them from any device, anytime. 5. Automate repeated tasks. Use apps like IFTTT or shortcuts on iPhone to automate tasks, like sending daily reports or turning off Wi-Fi at bedtime. These hacks are simple but super effective. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Smart Tips for more helpful videos. See you next time.